So on this video, I'm going to show you how you can detect if your article is AI written blog or if it's original human written article. You know that you paid, let us say for example, you paid freelancer to write an article for you. How you can detect it if that article is a human written article before you pay the client or before you pay the freelancer. So once you come to this website, what you have to do is to go and check the blog that you want to verify. If the blog is a human written blog or is AI written blog or is AI written article. So I'm going to use my own website for example on this tutorial. So I'm going to go to my own website. So all I just need to do is to copy all the word that is written on this my blog. So I'll just copy every one of the words. So the website we are going to use to verify this is called originality.ai. So if you want to use this website, the link will be in the description. So all you just need to do is to click the first link and it's going to take you to originality.ai and start using it to detect each one of the article that is written by anyone for you or that is written with AI to see how you can change and manipulate the article to make sure that it fits what you think that it is. So let us say for example you want to check it, click on the part where it says this, click on this part here where it says start new scan. So once I click on that, it's going to pop this up. So all I just need to do here now is to paste in the article here. I have pasted all the article. All I just need to do is to set up the title. I'll just say best investment app. I'll click on the part where it said scan now. So once I click on scan now, the scanning has started. So all we just need to do is to be patient for this originality.ai tool or software to do all the whole work for us. So we don't need to go and do any manual work or any hidden work. So once this originality.ai software have detected everything, it's going to give us the result. If this our blog or this our article is original content which is written by a human, you know that AI written content is not getting a lot of credit, which means it will not rank on Google. But a human written content is ranking because Google is rewarding human being by doing effort to do all the whole work, not a robot doing all the whole work that humans are supposed to do. So writing article is one of the things that is really important and is difficult too for a lot of people. When I started blogging at the beginning, it was difficult for me, but more I keep doing it, then I become used to it. So that is how I was able to overcome when it comes to writing a blog. So as you can see here, let us verify. You can see that this my blog is written by a human, not with AI. So I wrote this my blog myself, not anyone telling me what to write or whatsoever. I write this my blog myself. It was not written by anyone or with AI. So you can see that this my blog original content or original article is 99%, which is good, which is jackpot, and I love this. And the AI written content is 1%, while the human written content is 99%. So this is how your article or your blog supposed to look when you write your own blog or when you write it with AI or anything. Make sure that you check the percentage of the original content and the AI written content. So this is how you can check it, and that is everything I'm going to show you on this video, guys. So I will say thank you very much. Only what I will ask from you is to just leave me a like, follow me on all my social media platforms, and don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I really want to hear from you. And I will say, if you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that will pop up here. I will say thank you very much, guys, and I will see you on my next upcoming video.